Hello YouTube, Airsoft Expert 16 here. I've ordered a vest off of eBike from USA. I'm up in Canada, so it's taken about a week and a couple days to get here. So it finally came in the mail, and I'm just going to open this up now. This is the what is this? SOCOM commando chest rig. Nice, it's finally here. Alright, here it is. It's got some weight to it. Paper and just a shipping form. Evike. Here's the vest. Here we are. Wow. This looks nice. I didn't actually expect this to come with the admin pouch here in the picture. It didn't have one, so this looks great. Nice black. Got this to match the team I'm with. This cost about, what was it? It was 45 and 20 with shipping, so around 60 bucks. 3 mag pouches, a utility pouch here, and this is a walkie-talkie pouch, but I don't know, I think I could use this for grenades. And then you got your admin pouch here, pouches, and I don't know, battery pouch, put anything in there. Another little pouch back there. Wow, this is great. Pretty happy with this buy. I'd actually recommend you buy from eBike. They seem really good, low prices, good deals, and quality stuff. Yeah, I'm happy. Like the video for more. Bye.